Hello, namaste to all the wonderful viewers watching my video right now. Guys, I'm directly taking you to the tutorial section. So here what you are seeing on the screen is a basic candle making kit which I have purchased from amazon.in, and it is from Asian Hobby Craft. And guys, here is the list of the things which I have received in this candle making kit. So as you are seeing on the screen that it contains liquid wax pigments, silicone molds, and some sparkles, candle wax, and gel wax. So guys, today I'll be making a very beautiful and basic gel candle out of these things which I have received in this candle making kit. So the process is very simple, and what I'm going to make is a very basic gel wax candle. And again guys, I'm telling you that whatever I'm showing in this video is just for the idea. Just take this idea and create your own beautiful candle. And if you want to share with me, you can share with me on my Facebook page, on my Instagram page. So I'm always there for you guys. For any problem, for any query, you can ask me directly. You can ask me through the comment section below the video. And if you want to purchase this Asian Hobby Craft candle making kit, I'm providing the link in the description box, so you can click it and purchase it. So let's see what is the process of making this very beautiful and easy gel wax candle.